New videos will be uploaded every Friday, 6 p.m. Eastern Time.
Hello everyone, this is my WEBER Kettle 22-inch, just black, the standard. I want to say this is and what we did, all I did is a few mods. I just installed a Tell True thermometer right here at grade level, and it's a 3-inch face with I think a 4-inch stem. Like it, everything's going good. And I also bought this lid rack holder right off of Amazon, inexpensive. I think it was like 12 or 13 bucks, and it hooks onto the back. So far so good, I really like it. And what I did, since I added a new thermometer, I plugged the hole that comes with the kettle that comes in the lid from the factory. I just plugged it with a stainless steel bolt, lock washer, a bigger washer, and a nut. And I also put a little bit of food grade silicone, just a dab on both sides. And when I tighten it down, it all squeezed out. And then once it dried, I hit it with some of my high heat black spray paint. And that's it, right from the hardware store. And I also have two accessories we're gonna run with this kettle. I have the Vortex accessory, and here's a picture. And then I also have the Slow N Sear accessory that we've cooked on it before, and it's coming real good. And actually, this is a video of that right in here. It's a 2-zone setup that it shows you your coal is one side and your meat is on the other side, and also comes with a drip pan and a water pan accessory. And all that works together. Two different accessories, both are very good for what they're made for. I like them both, and we're going to be making some great barbecue on the channel with them. But here we go, guys. Just a regular standard Weber 22-inch right from walmart.com. Then we have the two accessories, the Vortex accessory that turns the Weber kettle into a high heat indirect cooker. Then the Slow N Sear that turns it almost to an offset indirect cooker, and also it's good for reverse searing steak. So either or, you can cook on top of the coals and let it finish on the indirect side, or cook on the indirect side, sear it on the coal, or just cook directly on the indirect side. You won't burn anything. And that's just about it. Then I also have the Slow S&S, the same folks who makes the Slow N Sear. I ordered their cooking grate. It gives you a bigger opening to add coal and chunks of wood inside the cook chamber. And I have a picture of that right here. Right here, this is an example of the Vortex. The coals is in the middle. Then you put a piece of flaming wood, and then this turns the grill into a high heat, indirect heat. Get wings nice and crispy. Be on the lookout for this video. It's coming soon. Here's an example of the Slow N Sear. I have a large poke shoulder over the drip pan. The coal is on the back side. So as you can see, the coal is off to one side, the meat is to the front. And when I put this lid on, I put the lid on with the vent over the meat, so that drafts and pulls the heat and smoke over the meat before it exits. So here you have it. These two accessories, the Slow N Sear and the Vortex, they're great, along with the kettle. Love them both. With the mods I made, here's a little bit of smoke action for you guys. Guys, thank you for all your support. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And new videos will be coming out every Friday at 6 p.m. Eastern. Thank you, and cook and barbecue 247.